everyone, so today's video is on how to feel confident in any outfit, and I feel like this is something that everyone struggles with at least once in their life, especially me, quite a lot. So I really hope you enjoy this, and let's get into it. So the first tip would be to not focus on what everyone else is wearing too much. Wear what makes you happy and what you feel comfortable in, whether that's classic chic or super casual like a hoodie, or super colourful. Dress based on how you're feeling, because it's so important that your wardrobe works for you and your lifestyle. Number 2 would be to stop worrying that people are judging you. I know that's much easier to say than do, but when you let go of worrying what everyone thinks, you'll start to feel more confident in yourself and whatever you're wearing. And actually, most people are too busy worrying about themselves and their lives that I can guarantee whatever it is that you're worried about, the majority of people wouldn't even notice anyway. Only your opinion matters, so definitely remember that. I think the next tip would be to build on your comfort zone. Everyone has pieces they go back to each time and feel comfortable in, but if you're looking for a change, start by adding bold pieces to your look slowly so you don't feel conscious when you wear them out. It could be something as small as a bold accessory like your shoes or a jacket, and then build on it more and more until you feel fully confident in a bold outfit. Of course, these are really simple tips, but sometimes when you're in that mindset, you just can't get out of it and you feel really blinkered, and sometimes you just need someone to say, it's okay, dress how you want, it's fine. When you're putting outfits together, try and build them around you to show off your favourite parts about yourself. For example, if you really like your waist, wear a belt to really show that off. Or maybe if you really like your legs, start wearing skirts more and dresses. And it doesn't just have to be a body part like that either. It could be your hair or your makeup, and then draw attention to that and keep your outfit plain. Or even if you're a super happy person, then show that with your clothes by wearing vibrant pieces. And finally, the last tip to feeling confident is to stop waiting for life events to dress exactly how you want. Don't wait until you've moved city or finished school or lose weight or anything like that to experiment with your style or try something new. It's very easy to get stuck in a rut and think, oh, I'll be myself when this happens, but most of the time we'll always find excuses. And if something is in your wardrobe that doesn't make you feel good, don't wear it, donate it or sell it, and find something that makes you feel great, because there's no point in hanging on to things that you just don't like. So that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that it helped you in some way. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if it did, because that would mean so much to me. Honestly, I'm so grateful for every single one of you that does subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, of course, because I always love to know what you think. Have a great day, as I always say, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye, guys.